Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here with a midday update. What a day it has been. What a day. Great day. So we shorted the open, 28.10 quarter. We ended up shorting it again when it converted our proprietary lower level up here at 98 quarter. So we shorted 98 quarter down in and around the lows. So a couple 8-handle trades all told there, peeling profits and doing that. Then the real fun started. Then we bounced. So as soon as it converted the weekly pivot, we got long against that, got long 95.5, and we just punched out of that trade up here into the 2 o'clock Fed minutes. What I'm curious about now is we have what's going on right now. We have a high window. So one of a couple things is going to happen here. Either it's going to respect the hell out of this window. And if it does, then it can come back. It can absolutely retest weekly pivot, certainly test the roundy from here. If it doesn't do that, then you're going to see it convert the OPG. Here at 28.12 quarter, you'll see it make a higher high, and at that point, it should bust up and over the 24 quarter Globex high. So it's a little bit of a jump ball here at 2 o'clock, but I'm expecting one more big move into the close. We'll see how it plays out. So look, I don't even know what it is. It's a 33 handle day here in the room. Great day, great volatility. The tape's really in a sweet spot right now. I had mentioned last week the volatility was absolutely nuts. I was saying that I was excited for this week because the vol usually comes off a little bit and the tape gets into this really nice area and it can stay in this nice area for a while. All right, take care, trading well. We'll be back with a wrap up at the end of the day.